Welcome to this section, Deployment. In this section, we will build out our homepage controller to display our video feed, and then we will be ready for deployment. Let's get started building our homepage video feed. In this video, we are going to generate our homepage controller and define our index method. Then we'll create a homepage template that will show our video feed. Then lastly, we'll change our application's name from Laravel to MyTube. One of the last steps that we need to finish before we deploy our application is creating a landing page or home page where people can view the most recent uploaded videos. We're going to start off by generating a new homepage controller. Then we'll open it up and add our index function. Before we do so, we want to make sure that we tell our application where to find the video controller, and then we'll add our public function. And what we'll do is go ahead and get an array of videos by using the video model, and we'll use our scope method that we defined earlier to get the latest first, and then we'll just paginate it by 10. And we want to return that using a view. We're going to use a view called homepage. We'll create that next. And to that homepage view, we are going to pass our videos. Now we can go ahead and add our view. So we'll open up resources, view. We're going to create a new homepage.blade.php. And from here, we'll just paste in our code. And there we go. We just have a header with the latest videos. Then we have a check to see if we have any videos being passed. If we do, we'll loop through them. And using our video partial template, we'll just pass it in an individual video, and that'll render out for us. The last step we need to do is add this homepage controller to our route. So by default, we get a root route, which just displays the welcome template. So we'll just replace this with our homepage controller index file. And one last thing before we're finished, we want to change the name of our application to MyTube instead of Laravel. So to do that, we'll open up our environment, and here where it says Laravel, we'll replace that with MyTube. And just like that, we're all done.